Calculating the cash ratio is very easy. We just need to follow this formula. Cash and cash equivalents divided by current liabilities. These two items are available in the balance sheet of the company. You can see the very first item is cash and cash equivalents. So let us mark it here. And the other item, current liabilities, is also in the same balance sheet. Okay. So if we follow this formula for the year 2018, we can start with the equal sign, then go to the worksheet containing the information, click on the cell containing cash and cash equivalents, then divide by the cell that contains the total current liabilities. Then press the return key and you get the cash ratio for the year 2018. We can just copy the formula in the adjacent cell for 2017 and we will get it for the year 2017. You can see that the cash ratio has increased in 2018 compared to that in 2017. Thank you very much for being with me in calculating the cash ratio.